Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ashwini Priyadarshan. Today's recipe is sweet and spicy pineapple roast. This is a very unique and tasty recipe and must try. Let's see the ingredients. I have taken 5 to 6 finely chopped pineapple slices. Along with this, I am taking honey, olive oil, salt, amchur, dry chili powder and pizza sauce. I am giving the link in description for pizza sauce in case if you have missed the video. You can use some tomato ketchup as well. Now I am preparing marination for pineapple slices. For this I am taking pizza sauce, salt, red chili powder, amchur along with some honey and 1.5 spoon of olive oil. Honey you can take around half spoon to 1 spoon. Depends on the spiciness and the sweetness you want to balance, but half to 1 spoon will work well. Mix all the ingredients well with the oil. Very little of marination is needed. Don't marinate in a very spiciest way. So now I am keeping all the slices in the bowl. You can spread it with your hands so that the marination is well coated to all the pieces. After marination, just leave them for 5 to 6 minutes. That's work well. Even tomato ketchup works well, but this pizza sauce has really tasted well for this particular recipe. If possible, do give it a try as well. Now in a pan, I am adding around 1.5 spoon of olive oil. You can use butter as well. Once the oil is heated, I am keeping the flame in low and adding all the slices to it. Roast for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. If the marination paste is left over, you can just spread it with hands on top of the slices. Just coat them well. Now after 2 minutes, I am just flipping the slices. If you chop the slices in thin way, it will be so crispy and tasty. Or do not chop in very thicker way. Preferably you can slice in thin. So now after roasting for another 2 minutes, you can see there is a color change on the slices. The corners and edges are turning little crispy. It hardly takes 3 minutes to roast each side. So now you can see all the pieces have changed the color and it turns so crispy. That's it. The recipe is ready. You can directly have it, and trust me, it tasted so good and I want you to try this. If you like this video, press the like button. Do share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications.